José-Luis, and welcome
Hello.
to PayTech. You are responsible for a very large region with a lot of countries working at different pace and at different maturity level. How do you manage the strong demand for customization?
Yes, so as you rightly say, EMEA is very large. Actually, we cover more than 120 markets, going from Sweden to South Africa and from Portugal to Iraq. And it's not only large, it's very diverse, because one of the beauties and the challenges in payment is that each market is different. It's got its own domestic schemes, its own wallets and alternative payment methods, its own value-added services and loyalty.
Local certifications.
Absolutely, absolutely. So the demand for customization is huge. And the way that we do drive this is by including flexibility in our offer. So flexibility is key, and the way we drive flexibility is by having building blocks. So if you look about terminal as a service, which is a service that we provide to our customers, that for a single fee we offer the terminal installation, repair, maintenance, connectivity and software. We have building blocks or parts that we can easily take and customize. So for instance, self-initialization, which is a service that we provide in Spain right now, that's something that we can take, customize quickly and deploy in any other market. The use of chatbots that we have today in the UK, where we provide customer
answers very fast.
Yeah, absolutely, and in a very convenient way. So we can customize that. The use of couriers in Italy, or my Ingenico app, which is a white label app that we are at the moment piloting in Czech Republic. So by having those building blocks, we are able to customize, reduce the total cost of ownership of the customer, and pass on those savings to them as well.
We've seen also that sustainability is one of the core elements in your strategy. Mm-hmm. What are your key initiatives at EMEA for sustainability and creating sustainable business models?
Before I tell you about the initiatives and how we are doing it, I would like to tell you why. When you speak to the new generation, especially I'm a father of two early teenagers, and you speak to them and you see how important the environment, how top of their minds all those environmental issues are, and when you think that those people are the generation that are going to be making the purchasing decisions in 10 or 15 years' time, you realize how important this is. Also, as a large corporation, I think we have the responsibility, and morally we need to think about what type of planet we are leaving for the next generations. And this is not only something about ourselves, it's also shared by our customers. So when you speak to large corporates and large corporations, the CSR, and especially the environment, is key in their agendas. It's one of the KPIs that they look at. So having all of that in mind, we are working very strongly in recyclability. So in the past couple of years, we've increased the number of recycled terminals by more than 80%. Last year alone, we recycled more than 640 tons of terminals. So imagine the mountain of terminals that
it's massive. It's really massive.
I mean, it's huge, and we have reduced our carbon footprint by more than 24%. Year on year. And it's not only ourselves, I mean, we are helping our customers drive the green agenda as well. So, for instance, out of the software that we produce, 50% of the software produced has the ability to produce e-receipt.
So yes, so less
paper.
Yes, please, yes.
Yes, less thermal paper.
Paperless solutions,
absolutely.
Yeah.
And 60% of the software that we produce has also a low energy or standby capability. Yes. So with all of that, we help our customers reduce the carbon footprint, and we are investigating other areas like the use of recycled plastics and casings, and so on. So for us, this is critical. We cannot believe that we will be a leader in the future if we are not a leader. And
preserve the planet resources.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Thank you very much, José-Luis, and I'll let you go to enjoy PayTech. Thanks
Thanks a lot.
Bye-bye.